Hey guys, it's Nikki here with Nikki's Outdoor Adventures, and this is the big ice storm of 2021. And it is still coming down. We got Dee and Katie over there throwing ice balls at each other. Let's see how slick the road is, guys. You want to? There ain't no traffic at all. Oh, it is slick. Ooh. God.
I want to do that, Mommy.
Come on.
Let's go.
God, this road is coming.
Katie, over here.
Okay.
Yeah, it is slick. This is crazy, guys.
Yeah, look how slow traffic's going. It's so bad.
It is so bad. People are going so slow.
You hear somebody yell?
Yeah. I did.
Me too. Someone said, hey. Oh.
Come on, get off the road. God. Look at this ice balls. I mean, it's crazy. Ooh, Katie Jean.
Katie.
You got me.
I wouldn't do that.
Oh, DJ got me too.
I thought. Oh, crap.
Oh, that is so cold. Look how thick this ice is, guys.
You know it's cold, but it's pretty.
It is. It's beautiful out here. Ooh.
Here, let me make sure I shake that off.
Yeah, no, because it's in my shirt. Ooh, okay. That's good.
You got it.
God almighty.
You're just mean, though.
My whole neck is froze.
Look how bad you should just...
God, let's see.
Watch it. You ready?
God.
Watch this big all the way up here.
Like, that's how froze
What?
it is, guys. God.
Hey, Dad, I dare you to
That's
take
why
out
people,
those
that's
limbs.
why it's too dangerous to get underneath trees right now. Because you could just plump, you know.
The ice is so heavy on the limbs right now that it's about it. I would not doubt it if we didn't lose electric again tonight, honestly. Because it is bad, and it's just getting worse.
Yeah. So whatever you do, don't get out underneath trees at all.
Do not when it's like this. Oh, Katie, that's enough.
Yeah, you're freezing.
You're freezing me to death,
And
kid.
my hands.
Yeah, and it's coming down even harder now.
Here, you want to put some gloves on?
But you all stay safe through all this, and I hope everybody stays warm and has plenty to eat and ways to get warm. This is a bad ordeal when it's like this, guys. But I love you all, and I will see you on a day or two. Love y'all. Peace.